Are you thinking about adding floating shelves to your home? There are a lot of advantages to this new trendy option, but are floating shelves right for you? Floating shelves are becoming more and more popular in kitchens and other rooms in the home, especially homes looking to maximize their space while keeping a clean, organized look. Here is Straight Line Design's pros and cons list for someone on the fence about floating shelves. So let's dive into the pros of floating shelves. If you are looking for a clean look that gives an open and airy feel to a space, these shelves are a great option. While they give the appearance of being light, they provide a strong and sturdy option for holding heavy and important objects like classic dishes or memorabilia. Another exciting pro to floating shelves is the design element. Floating shelves come in all types of wood species. Some of our favorite wood shelves are cherry. You can also get floating shelves painted the same color as your cabinetry to create a clean, unified look. Corbels provide added decor and extra support. Now let's talk about the cons of floating shelves. The drawback to floating shelves is making them appear too cluttered. Individuals who are not as organized or have little flair for design may want to stick with closed cabinetry. They require weekly dusting to keep your decor shiny and clean. That being said, closed cabinetry keeps the dust off your fine dishes and knickknacks. Floating shelves really do provide a beautiful and unique option to any room, and they can be friendly to your budget. But the choice is ultimately up to you, if it fits your personal style and needs. We hope this video has been helpful. Give us a call or stop by our website to learn more on how Straight Line Design can help you with your design and installation needs. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one.